to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Plymouth GTX. This is a very rare factory V-code 446 pack car. True car. It is finished in the factory correct B5 blue metallic. It's got the factory black vinyl interior. And again, this is a complete rotisserie restoration. The bottom of this car is painted just like the top. Factory Dana Super Track pack car. So like I say, very rare car, 446 pack car. It doesn't have the matching numbers engine in it, but it does have a 71 date coded block in it. And there's no VIN on that block, so that it's probably a warranty block. You can see it's got the machine gun tips, it's got the go wing, rear window louvers, does have the functional air grabber hood, power windows, 6-way driver's seat, dual chrome mirrors, fender mount turn signals, hood pins, so the car's loaded up. Beautiful car, 59,000 miles, what's shown on the odometer. That is supposed to be the original miles. Matter of fact, previous owner said he believes that's all the original interior still in this car. Air grabber was added. It is functional. Hood pins are correct. Bumpers are chrome. The stainless is really nice. You can see there are a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it, but really, really nice car. And the air grabber hood does work. You can see the little blemish here on the dash, a little crack in the dash. That's about, if you're gonna really nitpick the car, that's about it. Power windows work. You can see this trim is really nice. I did get the pictures done outside, man. It's snowing like crazy, so I apologize. There is some snow in the pictures, but man, I hate even shooting the videos inside. I like everything done outside in the natural light. I think you can see the car, get a better feel for a car outside than in the building here, but I did get the photos done. I believe the car's got all the original body panels. Like I say, it doesn't look like it's ever been cut on. You can see it's got the machine gun tips. Floor mats are on the way for it. Matter of fact, I just got a notification they shipped out today. So it will have the nice GTX carpeted mats in there when I get them. It's got the G60-15 Goodyear Polyglass tires. Factory 15-inch rallies. And again, when you look in there, it's all body color underneath. Front disc brakes. That's the power front disc brakes. Again, factory V-code car, non-matching numbers car. Air grabber does work, switch and everything's in there. It's all functional. Mopar radiator with a shroud, power steering, factory exhaust manifolds. Of course, it's got the 6-pack carbs and intake. Nice, nice car. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Got a copy of the broadcast sheet, and the original broadcast sheet's on the way. Said the previous owner said he may have some additional paperwork. I always hate saying that because he can't really remember exactly what he has. I think he has multiple cars, so. But said anything that he's got, he'll definitely send with it. So we can get the focus here. Come on. Here we go. This is a remote mirror. You can see how nice this stuff is here. Power windows, again, they all work. Factory bucket seats, center console, Tuff wheel. Hard to see, but you can see it's 59,000 on your odometer. Factory dash, AM radio. Again, you got a little crack there on your dash. Remember when you started, Nathan, once I shut the hood, flip the switch open and that air grab will open. Dual exhaust, again, Dana 410 sure grip rear axle. It's all body color in here like it should be. Jack with spare. Again, I always post photos of the cars underneath, and you'll see this one is nice under there. Pretty car. Seats are nice. So you kind of pick that there. The separation, like I said, he thinks so. The interior is original. Runs and drives outstanding. That would kick on or no? Gauges are all functional. Show you the power windows going up and down. Nice car.
It isn't that fast. It's aftermarket.
Oh, it's an aftermarket. Oh, it's got that. It looks like factory. Yeah, that's right. So it's an aftermarket radio. Lower motor in there works. Wipers are. We have to check those. I think they're sticking. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of my inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.